how to create a Bitget account. So once you've downloaded and opened the app, you'll be led here to a welcome page where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto on Bitget, and there's a get started option. Here, you can just go ahead and press on the get started button. You'll be led to a section where you can use an email number or a mobile number to create an account. So we'll be using a email number. So we'll be using an email. Then once you've put in the email and password, you should just go ahead and press on create account. Then there's going to be a simple verification. So just follow the steps and press OK. Once your verification is a success, you'll be given a verification code to the Gmail account that you used. So just go ahead and look for that. So just go ahead and paste in the verification code 652893 and press submit. As you can see, my user already exists, but once you've pressed on submit, the account will be created and you'll be led to the main screen of Bitget. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.